shots. I think I should be somewhere up on the hill, possibly. It's not looking too good for my chesticles, that's for damn sure. Not looking too good. I'm not too sure if go for the energy drink. Yeah, this is not good. My level 3 is so demolished right now. I got both. Let me see what this guy had. He just got killed. Alright, so there's one guy directly west. I need to get chest armor badly here. Do you have anything? Yes, there we go. I'm gonna choose to go around this way. I'm gonna go around this way. Sounds like somebody inside the building shooting. Two people left. So one guy in the building, one guy far out, I think. I'm gonna go with another energy drink here just in case. Next circle is actually on me this time. I'm gonna run all the way over here. Let's go over here. There he is. Got him. Alright, last guy should be around again. I better hurry this up, otherwise this guy's gonna fucking destroy me. I have to go back around. There he is. Woo! GG's! Oh, hold on. Beep, 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 boop, beep, beep. Alright. Augmentation back to normal. Just gotta get that first win, you know, to look good. You know, GG.